Hi, Michael Newrock here. I'm just about to take a trade. It's a sell on the Aussie. That's the AUD USD. I'm on the 4-hour time frame. I'll just put the alert to the side and take a closer look. Overall direction is down. 4 out of the 6 higher time frames on the 4-hour, the daily, and the weekly are pointing down. Trend and swing to the downside have already occurred, but I wasn't interested in it at that time. Let's take a closer look. The RSI is down. The MACD is below the zero line, so price is under pressure. We've got price below the fast moving average, which is below the slow moving average. So all the indicators are in place that tell me that price is under pressure and that may fall. So I'm going to take that trade. And as you can see, it's as simple as that. Just under 30 pips, about 27 pips for the stop. And of course, it's generated dynamically by the profiteer system. I can actually specify it, or I can have it dynamically generated. So around 30 pips for the nearest low, about 50 pips after that, and about 100 pips to the recent key low. So plenty of room to move to the downside. And that's what I like to see when I'm selling a pair, when I'm going short. Basically, small risk, big reward. That's what I always look for. So I'm going to pause the video right now, get back as soon as I have another update. Cheers. Okay, did someone say going down? I mean, check it out. What are we looking at? Just under 2,600 pips, almost 100 pips to the downside. This thing just dropped like a stone. Now I'm going to modify these trades because I'm getting a little nervous and there's a lot of money on the table. So I'm going to modify this position to 75.75, and I'll move this one to 76. Okay, now profiteer was going to manage these trades at the 100 target, but it's not quite there, and just in case it doesn't make it, like I said, there's a lot of money in place. 80 pips on the first position, 55 pips on the second. I can breathe a sigh of relief. Really, I should have adjusted my trade management there to lock in profits automatically at lower levels, but this happened so quickly. So anyway, I've locked it in now. I'm laughing. Let's see how this trade goes. If it goes further to the downside, then that's good news for me. And if it moves against me, hey, I've just locked in a couple of grand, so life's good. All right, I'm going to pause this video. I'll be back soon. Cheers. Okay, I'm back to take a look at my trade, and take a look at this. 1,082 bucks moved into my capital, and I've just moved it on the chart there. You can see, very nice trade, and I've got the second position still open. Currently $1,137. I've got my profits locked in. If it moves against me, that's life. If it moves in my favor, fantastic. I'm going to make even more. I'll be able to lock in some more profits. Can I lock in profits now? Sure. Can I close the trade now? Sure. But when trading trends, it's important to trade them for as long as you can while that trend is going in the intended direction. You can see here it's looking pretty strong market conditions wise. So I'm going to pause the video once again and come back as soon as I have another update. Okay, back, and it's all over. Music stopped, but hey, 1,830 bucks. I'll just move, there's my first position, and I'll just move my second position onto the charts now, and that's where we got stopped out. So another great trade, 1,830 bucks on 2 one-lot positions, so very reasonable if you've got the account to be able to handle that, but nothing ridiculous. And great trade. It dropped, and it sure, I would have loved it to continue dropping, but when trading, particularly a trend following system like this, where you're locking in profits all the time, the music at one point or another is going to stop playing. It always happens. You can guarantee it. How long it goes for, that's the $1 million question. But as long as you're locking in profits, then you're doing great. So another successful trade. Come join me, and I'm going to share all the resources that I have, the software, the training, to help get you to the next level as a trader that's consistently successful. Until next time, good trading, live well, and I'll see you soon.